Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Twitter crop on your settings. We will just click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we just go down and we click here on apps, then we come here to app settings, then we just go down and we looking for a Twitter app and we will just go down and we find it. We will click here on Twitter and we go to next window. We will click here on force stop, then we click here on OK, and we go down. We will click here on storage, then we click here on clear cache, and we click here on clear data, and you just update your app on Play Store and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish you all get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you next video.